In this video, we try to explain all the details about this mobile application, landmark, facilities also. As you can see on the street, property, location, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. To talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen the property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various link plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already reserved this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.